What? What do you want? Remove my coffee? My coffee go there first. Ito talaga. You're so. Buti na lang my plant is so beautiful today. Take a look. This is my arts. Recycled ng mga bato at halaman. Pero ang paso, of course, binili yan. Murang-mura. PM lang. Ito, may rice hull ako. Yan, carbonize. And garden soil, loam soil, yan yung ginamit ko. Itong kulay black, yan. The black one is carbonized rice hull. Para pag nilagay yung halaman, hindi, kahit umapaw siya, hindi ganun makakalat yung lupa niya. On idea ko lang. Not so sure. Kasi pag garden soil, Oh, say hi, Janus. Janus, say hi.